Na po nating patagalin pa. Excited na po ang lahat ng mga nandito ngayon and I'm sure pati po kayo ng mga nakatutok online ay ready na para makipagkwentuhan. Let's give it up for the powerhouse performer, AC Bonifacio! Yes! Grabe, hindi pa po nagsisimula yung interview namin kanina. Ang dami na po namin na pagtsikahan ni AC. O bago tayo dumiretso sa ating question and answer portion, kasama ang mga very special invited press natin from the entertainment media, yung mga vloggers natin. At kayo din po, huwag kalimutang mag-comment and use our official hashtag #StarMagicSpotlight. AC, last night, while reading some posts about you online, I saw your video singing Bagets ka pa sa Canada ng My Heart Will Go On.
Naka-yellow po ako.
Yes!
Oh,
at naka-down shoes.
yes!
Oo. Kwentuhan mo naman kami kasi dito sa Pilipinas, una ka naming nasilayan bilang isa talaga na magaling na mananayaw. Pero hindi namin alam na bagets ka pa lang pala, meron ka ring talent pagdating sa pagkanta.
I think automatic din po kasi as a Filipino, the singing really is there.
Yes.
So pag may mga parties and gatherings, kumakanta po talaga ako. Pero kay mami po kasi, she put me into everything. So sumasayaw po ako, I was singing, I was swimming, I was doing sports, nag-taekwondo pa po ako. So I really was put into everything and then she allowed me to pick what I love to do. So pag may mga performances, gatherings, Independence Day, ganun po, I will either do singing or dancing po talaga.
Kaya total performer ka rin, di ba? Parang yung best friend mo din.
Yes!
Na si Darren Espanto.
Yes.
Naku, eto na. Sigurado naman ako lahat ng mga tanong natin this afternoon, masasagot ni AC straight from her heart. Pero unahin na natin, merong agad-agad na nagpadala ng kanyang katanungan para sa'yo. Siya ay si Mika Sabio of Push ng ABS-CBN. Eto ang tanong. AC, what's one thing that you regret habang ikaw ay nasa loob pa ng bahay ni Kuya bilang isa sa mga housemate? Kung merong sagot, bakit yun?
Regret? Honestly, sa loob ng bahay, wala po akong regrets. Everything that happened was meant to happen for a reason. And everything that I was able to solve was also solved inside of the house. So I don't wish that I went back and I said something differently or I didn't talk to this person with my whole heart. Kasi in that house po talaga, iba yung perspective ng housemates versus the audience. In that house, we were able to really form a genuine, true bond. And if anything, if we had any issues, kina-confront po talaga namin. And we would fix it right on the day of, or right on the spot. Para pag next day, new day, restart for us housemates. So, regrets po? Wala po. I made good connections that I will bring out here to the outside.
Dun sa sinabi mo na iba yung tingin ng mga housemates sa nangyayari inside, iba rin yung tingin ng mga nanonood from the outside world. Kasi ang dami ko rin mga nakapanayam na mga naging housemates from the unang season pa hanggang dito sa recent na season natin, which is the PB Collab. Pero di ba kasi totoo, parang pag tinignan mo sa labas, ang laki-laki ng mga kaganapan, pero doon talaga, very isolated kayo. Diba? Ang tanging ginawa mo lang ay nagpakatotoo ka talaga.
Yes po. If we had anything in Yapo, like I said, we would confront it right away. We weren't trying to become, we were truly just trying to become as one. Because we're living in a house together. Iba po talaga when you start to live together. You're eating with these people, you're toothbrushing at night with these people, so you really want to solve whatever is happening in that house.
Totoo. May mga napanood din ako mga interviews mo sa outside world, yung paglabas sa paglabas. I believe that's fast talk from Tito Boy Aguda, di ba? Parang, tama ba ako na parang may mga tinanong siya sa'yo doon, you said sorry sa mga nababasa mo rin from the outside world?
Yes po. I think I've spoken on all of the issues that are happening sa labas po. And I've cleared everything out. So hopefully people are understanding also, the way I've been understanding of their comments towards me also.
Ang hirap no pala kapag nasa loob ka na ng bahay. Kasi syempre di ba AC, isa ka sa mahal na mahal. Isa ka sa kilala kong napakaraming kaibigan sa industry. Like I remember, isa sa fondest memory ko with you, parang nung ni-launch ang BGYO before, di ba parang tayo ang concert bodies.
Yes,
remember? Sa studio, pandemic na naka-face mask tayo.
Oh.
And marami ka rin iba pang mga kaibigan mo. Pero hindi ka ba natakot na it's a big risk sa career mo na when you enter the house of Kuya, the PBB house, parang pwede kang ma-judge talaga. Na yung mga, kung ano yung makikita sa'yo, pwede ka nilang mabigyan ng ibang perception ba? Or magkakaroon ng ibang connotation about sa'yo.
I definitely knew that coming into the house. And I made a vow to myself that I'm really just gonna be real. If I say anything that will offend anyone, I will also confront it. If there are issues from the outside world, I will confront it. Anything that would happen, I would really choose to just be real po. But again, at the end of the day, alam ko naman din po na I'm not everyone's cup of tea. The way I talk, the way I walk, the way I look, yung mga expressions ko po can definitely be taken in a different way. And I'm not gonna be able to please everyone, but at least naging totoo po ako, that's life. And I keep saying that the PPP house is a simulation of life. So, there's only 20 of us in that house, pero may mangyayari po talaga. May mga problema, there are personalities that are not gonna understand each other at first. But if you choose to be open and step up and actually talk to the person, then you can resolve things. So that's what I'm learning in life right now, that everything can be resolved if you choose to approach the problem with an open mind.
Grabe, di ba? Simula pa lang ng tanungan natin, pero talagang ang bigat na ng mga pinag-uusapan natin. And we're very happy kasi napaka spontaneous and you're generous kapag ka ikaw ay tinatanong ng mga questions like this. And thank you so much for trusting us, of course, in our kapamilya. And eto naman, AC, meron tayong mga inimbitahan, like what I mentioned kanina, kaya naman ibibigay ko rin sa kanila ang kanilang chance para magtanong for you.
Okay po.
Ang susunod na magtatanong mga kapamilya ay mula po sa Bulgar, siya si Ate Janice Navida. Ate Janice, take it away.
Hello po.
I'm here.
Hi, Ate Janice.
Hello. Wala man.
Ayan, nandun. Eto ate.
Po, ate.
Ang saya, di ba?
Yes!
Yes.
Welcome back talaga.
Sino ba welcome back talaga? Oo.
Overwhelming.
So, AC.
Hello.
Sayang no, na hindi ka agad. Parang ang dami pa sanang pwede mong maipakita inside the house. Pero, where you were inside the house, what were the misconceptions that is being thrown at you that hurts you the most until now?
The usual that they are saying about me now is backstabber, manipulative. I think those are the main two. Ako personally, nasaktan po ako at first, but there is a way to turn things, to look at it in a positive way, na, constructive criticism po talaga. And I try to live my life half glass full all the time, as much as I can. But in terms of the things that they're saying about me, I believe, again, different people take things differently. They have different definitions to certain words. But I know I confronted what I had said. If I had said something, ako po mismo yung lalapit sa tao and will fix it because I don't like that I said that not to them. But yun po, whatever they're saying about me, I know na resolve ko po agad. And in that house, we were okay. Yun po yung nagulat ako kasi paglabas ko, they were talking about an issue that had happened 2 weeks before. So it was something that wasn't a big deal in the house anymore, pero dito naging big deal po. So I'm just trying to approach it now with my life, na if there are other situations that will happen, I will approach it in a different way because I may have done something wrong, but I'm just trying to be better. And that's really how life is. We always try to grow and be better.
Wala bang mga iniyakan ka ng mga issues?
Mas naiyak po ako kasi nasaktan po si Mami. It's very hard. It was hard for her. Kasi sa loob, sobrang alam ko na po na people won't like me. But I was able to handle it. Kasi she raised me to be strong. And I've gone through all the bashing. Magta 10 years na po kasi ako dito. So I know a lot of people don't like people talaga. But for her, na mag-isa po siya dito sa labas, she doesn't know what truly is happening inside. She's watching also just as a casual viewer. And then all of these people are saying things about me. And also saying things about her na nadamay ko po siya. Doon po ko nasaktan. Yeah, it was hard kasi I knew she was going through that by herself. So paglabas ko po, I really just tried to be as strong as I can for her because I don't want her to see that I'm not okay. So doon po ako nasaktan na ako. Before I start crying. Kakastart lang po, kayo po yung pinakauna. Ganito po agad.
Tawa kami ng tawa ni AC. Tapos nakita ko na lang sa AC na buti na lang meron akong handang tissue dito.
So, hindi scripted yung pag-iyak ni AC, ah?
Hindi scripted kasi yung tissue na yan,
Wala
para sa
po.
pawis ko.
Wala po iyak na scripted for me. Wala po talaga.
Isang bonus question na lang, AC. How do you feel na si Darren, your best friend, yung unang nag-defend sa'yo when you were being bashed by netizens?
He knows me the best po kasi. He knows whatever was happening inside wasn't truly what was going on. And I appreciate him for stepping up because that takes a lot of guts po talaga to speak up in front of people. And I thank them. I thank them so many times. Every day umiyak ako sa kanya. I love that guy. I love that guy. Alam niyo din po yan. People have misconceptions also about our friendship because of how deep it is. But that's why it's so good. Because it's something that people can't believe. And I'm so grateful for him forever. And I don't want people to think also na tinatolerate niya po ako because he defended me. No, pinagsabihan niya din po ako. And he tells me off normally po talaga. So that's my best friend and I appreciate him very, very much.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Ate Janice. O, diba? Grabe.
Ang aga po.
Ang aga para maging emotional. Pero alam mo, nung sinasagot mo yung tanong mo about na mas nasaktan ng mom mo for you, syempre, di ba, marami tayong mga friends sa mga social media accounts natin. May nabasa ako na parang isa sa mga kasama natin from ABS-CBN, parang mga katrabaho mo sa ASAP. Tapos sinasabi nila, Mommy, hindi nila kilala si AC. Ayan, at least at tayo alam natin, kaya laban ng mommy. Kino-comfort nila ang mama while you were sitting aside.
Yes.
Nakita mo yun?
Sobrang appreciative din po ako sa mga staff ko. Everybody knows po kasi my mom. My mom was always my +1 when I was a minor. And she visits po talaga all my friends, all the staff. She says, she knows everyone. So everybody knows her also. So and they know how much she gets hurt. So when I was inside, I'm just so thankful for everyone who comforted her also.
Iyon. Ako, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Keep your comments coming, mga kapamilya. Again, don't forget to use our official hashtag for today. Hashtag #StarMagicSpotlight. Susunod, ang magtatanong mula naman sa Kapamilya Vines, si Mikey Viñas. Ako na daw ang magtanong for you. And the question goes like this. Ayan. Sino sa mga housemates na nakasama mo ang pinaka-namimiss mo na?
Pinaka-namimiss ko si Charlie. Number 1 ko po talaga si Charlie. She was my first duo. And also, parang first sa mga kapuso na naging close po ako. And she has so much growth pa na she can do it. She's also so smart. And what happened during that first week, di ko alam kung nakita niyo po, may nangyari po kasi. And I never wanted her to doubt herself. And I could see myself.
Is it about the fried chicken na nahulog?
Hindi po.
Meron pang iba pa?
Hindi po yung pinagsabihan po ni Ate Ivana si Charlie.
O parang yun ata yun.
Yun po ba yun?
Oo, na tinapon. Tapos
Ay,
iba na
yun
yung
na.
nag-confirm. Nanonood.
Iba-iba po eh. Iba-iba. Ang dami po
Oo.
nangyari that week mismo.
Okay.
And I just felt so bad for the girl because she's 16. There's so much growth in her po talaga. There's so much she needs to learn pa. And I just wanted to be her ate. Because it's been a while since I've been an ate. So I wanted to be her ate.
Napanood ko yan, yung sa room with Kira.
Yes.
At parang ikaw yung nag-advise sa kanya. Ay, nagpamaka-ate ka na. Dati ikaw yung bagets.
Yes! Oh! I'm starting to feel old na.
Ayan, thank you for answering. Next question mula pa rin kay Mikey Viñas. Sabi niya, now that you're back in the outside world, what can we and your fans expect from you?
Growth. On a personal level, now you guys know me as a human being na nagkakamali din po ako, na I'm not perfect, na may mga times na I will accidentally say things that I don't have the intention of it being in a bad way. But know that I'm trying to be better and I'm really taking in all of your concerns and comments about me. But yeah, that's all I can do from now on. Just know that I'm listening. I'm listening to you guys.
Totoo. Ayan. So yung mga aabangan.
There's a lot of crossover with GMA right now, which I'm so
Wow.
happy. Nag-open po yung doors dahil sa PBB collab na I get to guest on GMA na, and it's nice to be going around there and switching from ABS to GMA. Yun po, slowly, you'll see.
Totoo, nakita ko yung TikTok lang guesting ninyo ni Ashley.
Opo,
diba?
ang saya.
Dance kayo doon para talaga napanindigan nyo na yung COA at Sinatcha.
Sinatcha na.
Diba? May mga ganon. May mga ganong
Those are
lumalabas
the
sa
best
mga
duos.
videos. Yes,
Yes.
oo. Thank you,
Thank you,
Ashley. Thank you, AC. Kasi nga kayong dalawang duo,
Opo,
diba?
as one kami.
Totoo yan. Pero syempre, easy, Bonifacio, ayan. So, Mia online world, siya ay si Jeffrey Perdon. Ang tanong niya, what's your definition of pagpapakatotoo and ano sa tingin mo yung naging misconception ng Pinoy Big Brother viewers about sa pagpapakatotoo sa loob ng bahay?
Grabe.
Parang yung tanong, pahirapan na talaga.
Papakatotoo? For me, nagpapakatotoo, the definition for that for me is truly just speaking your mind without stepping on anyone. I don't believe I stepped on anyone. I didn't try to hate on anyone and try to change anyone's image of someone into the way I was thinking. Never did I say, huy, dapat ganito, dapat ganito. Everyone had their own opinions. And that's what I loved about our family inside of the house, na nire-respeto namin yung isa't isang opinion. I just spoke on how I felt. I spoke on the thoughts that were running through my head. And if I had said something that, an overthinker po kasi ako. So if I had said something that I feel like, oh shoot, this might have hurt someone, ika-confront ko po agad sila. I think that's my definition of nagpapakatotoo. I wouldn't want to keep that in and continue to look at this person like ganito, ganito, ganito. At least because of what I felt, I let it out. I talked to this person. They told me their side, and I was able to understand kung bakit ganun. Kasi at the end of the day, we all come from different stories. We all come from different traumas. So someone could be acting a certain way because they went through this. They have walls built up because they went through this, which is something you will only understand if you choose to talk to the person. Yes, may mga nasabi po ako, pero inamin ko po agad sa tao. I told them right away na I said this about you. This may hurt you, and I will understand if I hurt you because that's hurtful if you said it about me also. But please let me know bakit ganito. And throughout the week, throughout the days, I would truly understand it and I would see it and I would defend this person also when there were other issues that would happen. So that's my definition of nagpapakatotoo.
Ako natutuwa ako din, hindi ka nabulol sa pagpapakatotoo.
Ako din. Ako din.
Parang bongga yun.
I've been running through it in my head. Misconceptions. Ano ba yung second question po ulit?
Ayan, ang sabi niya, sa mga viewers naman daw, yung about sa pagpapakatotoo inside the house.
Valid. I understand. With what you guys saw, with how different our cultures are, I also understand na galing din po ako Canada, so very different things switch. Yes. But I understand everyone in this world has a different opinion, different culture, yun pa, different story, like I keep saying, and I keep saying that I am not everyone's cup of tea, but I will continue, just know that I will continue always to try my best to be better. Everything you guys are saying online, yung mga comments, may mga nagagulat po na, bakit naka-online yung comments ni AC? And it's like, why? I want to know what you think of me. I want to listen. I want to be better. And that's all I can do for you from now on. No matter how much I apologize and let you know that I acknowledge my mistakes, the best thing for me to do for myself and for you is to just show you that I will be better and I will grow.
Pero easy, di ba? Ngayon na talagang nai-express mo yung feelings mo, yung nararamdaman mo, nang nabasa mo, yung mga napakaraming mga nasabi against you, about you online. Alam mo, nakakabilib yan, nakaka-proud yan, kasi hindi lahat kayang i-acknowledge eh. Diba? And yung sinasabi mo na valid kung ano man yung nakita ninyo, yun ang pagiging totoo.
Yes.
Diba? Na kung nagkamali ako, tinanggap mo.
Yes,
diba?
po. It's the same way as whatever issues had happened inside na kinonfront ko, sila din po, kinakonfront ako. And I understand. Again, with an open mind, we will able to solve problems.
Inside. Curious question before I proceed to the next set of questions. Paglabas mo, of course, diba, you experience na the ABS-CBN Ball, ang daming mga celebrities, parang nakapag-reunite ka with some of your friends from the business. Siyempre, I'm sure they're also aware of what is happening, diba? May mga lumapit ba, aside from, bukod kay Darren, yung talagang malalapit sa'yo, may mga lumapit ba sa'yo at nag-tap sa shoulder mo at nagsabi, AC, okay lang yan. May mga
Madami po. I think the ABS-CBN Ball was also my way to reconnect talaga with the outside world. Kasi first few days, kinulong ko po talaga sarili ko. as a normal human being, nasasaktan naman din po ako. So when I did see stuff, I chose to sit and just understand and stay home with my friends and mom, of course. But when I got to the ball, sobrang overwhelming din po. And I wasn't supposed to go because I thought it would still be inside. So nakahabol pa po ako sa ball. Sobrang rushed po yung dress and getting ready and all of that. Pero kinaya po. And when I got there, I was really, really having bad anxiety because aside from obviously it being a big gathering, I just came from a house na 18 lang kami. Sobrang isolated po kami. Walang phone, walang ano-ano. And then I come out and I see all these people and I see cameras and I see lights. It's a very big thing that not a lot of people will understand. But there was a lot of people who went up to me and they're just like, AC, okay lang. We know you. We've known you for almost 10 years now. Kilala nila po ako na...
Pakitabi ang table natin.
Opo! Like there's a lot of people who are just like, it's okay. And those words meant so much to me, and I keep telling everyone that all of you guys have been helping me get through what I need to get through.
Yes, ayan. Thank you so much, AZ.